Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So I'm over here with Terry and we're looking at a Monaco Diplomat, and it's actually here for refrigerator replacement. So they actually took this window out this morning and reinstalled it. They still have to do all the cleanup and reseal it once it's in. And then, and actually here's Terry.
Hey.
So Terry removed the refrigerator with the guy's help and had to go over the steering wheel area. And right now he's in the process of installing a residential refrigerator. I'm gonna go pop in through the door and I'll give you a view of that. Here was the old refrigerator over here. It was a Dometic and it's no longer, I believe the PC board and some other items are no longer made for it. That's why the consumer went ahead and elected to replace it and upgrade it to residential. So if you have a motorhome, travel trailer, or fifth wheel, it is possible to switch them to a residential refrigerator. Let's go inside here real quick. And so again, they came in through this window. That's why all the blankets and coverings are here. And then that's the refrigerator that they installed. And so they installed that refrigerator right there. And I believe he said he had to do a little bit of trim work and a little bit of trimming to get it to work. But anyway, so if you are considering replacing that, please check with us, check with your manufacturer. We want to make sure that the weight of a new refrigerator is not too much heavier than the original refrigerator, which is out there. What happens is if it is a lot heavier over time, or depending upon your suspension, like let's say you have a travel trailer or fifth wheel, usually the side outs are over the axle, so it can actually cause damage to the side out floor. So once we get this guy all buttoned up and squared away, then we're going to ask him to come back within 90 days just to do a double check on the slide out. And same thing as he goes and travels, just say, hey, keep an eye on the corner of the slide outs. We just want to make sure that nothing breaks away. Motorhomes are usually put together a lot more sturdier, and this has got a couch and a dinette, and of course it already had a full-size refrigerator, so I'm pretty confident that we're not going to have any issues with that. But anyway, stay tuned for more, and if like I said, if you're looking to upgrade, give us a call. Dustin, your RV Specialist. Thanks so much for watching.